The first thing I want to show you is what the customer sees on Simple Vendor. When they first go to your URL, they'll come up to a login screen. They'll have to use their username and password in order to sign into the system. This username and password is created when they register. A couple of links here as well that are forget password and forget username. So if your customers come here to log in and they can't remember what their password was or their username, they click on either one of these links and it will direct them to a form asking them what their email address was for the account. It will email them the username and or password. It won't email the actual password. What it'll do is generate a temporary password to send to the customer. Let me go ahead and sign in here and we'll show you what the first page is that they see. When you sign in, it'll say welcome, the username, and it's saying securely being logged in. The first page that it comes to will be the dashboard here. It'll show you your categories that you set up on the admin side and the products for each one of the categories basically. So here's all the products and your categories. This is the order. Right now it's empty because we haven't added any products yet. There's a continue the shipping link, which will direct them to the shipping part of the website. There's subtotal down here. They can also do a search. From the search, you can do keywords. For example, we'll do green carpet. Search there. And then this is all of the words that have green and or carpet or green carpet. So there's carpet, carpet, green carpet. There's green, 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 green. So it's pretty broad, so they can even narrow it down further. If you do what you see is what you get section, do a search. Now it's looking at what you see is what you get. So yeah, this is how the search works. They can actually add the products directly from the search. Here's your account. This is basically where they can update their information, see their order history, and add additional email accounts to their account. Now, say if someone wants to come to you and they need to update their shipping or billing information, go to update account, the two forms where they can update their information. It'll ask you, what airport, username. They can reset their password as well down here, password, confirm password. They hit update and it'll automatically update their account. Order history, as customers make orders, it'll show here and it'll show their invoice of the different orders. Email accounts is where they can add additional email accounts. So basically with any correspondence to when they place orders, their account email address plus any of these additional ones will receive invoices. And then there's log out, which basically will log them out of the system. So if they go to add items here, it'll take them back to the front end. So they can go through, see what's on specials, go to Australia, Indonesia, Fiji, and they'll be able to add items to their cart just by simply selecting the quantity, putting how many they want, and it'll automatically add it to their order. So if we go through here, add a few different items from the system, we gotta get over the $300 minimum. So let's do that real quick here. Okay, so now we've added 5 items. There's $530 worth of coral in our cart, and it's using about 0.3 boxes, and it's weighing about 4.5 kilograms. So we're going to continue the shipping. From here, they can select the shipping method. These will be added from the back end of the administration screen. I'll show you how to add those in a second. We'll go ahead and priority overnight. I want to receive it on Thursday. So it's saying that's leaving our facility on Wednesday and it's getting delivered on Thursday. Now this page here can be completely changed. You can make it say whatever you want, and you can have it, you can have the calendar show, you can not have the calendar show. There's a whole lot of flexibility with this screen here. So we'll get into that in a second. And there's a special instructions field where your customers can leave a message if they choose to. So then we'll go ahead and continue the payment. from here. It's completely editable. You can make it say whatever you'd like. And the shipping method or payment methods as well can be whatever you like. We'll go ahead and just do the credit card on file, or if we know we did a new credit card, we could do it like that. But we'll do credit card on file, and then we'll review the order. From there, it's showing the business address, the shipping address, overnight, requested receive date, charging the credit card on file. Here are the items that we're ordering. There's a subtotal, shipping's to be determined. There's no tax on this order, and then the total is $530. So we'll go ahead and submit this order. And that's thank you, your order has been placed. It gives us a confirmation number and an order number. And basically it just shows you the overview of the order. So now, if you go back to your account, order history, here's this new order that we just placed that I talked about earlier. Right now there's no tracking number. We can actually view the order. They can print the invoice, which will produce a PDF document where they can print it. Yeah, it just shows the confirmation number, order number, when the order was actually placed, the order status, and then all the items here. So as you make changes within the administration part of your system, it'll update this invoice as well for your customer. So that's basically it. Pretty simple. Add the items. They go to their shipping and packing info, payment info, and they review it, and then they can submit it. So this is what the customer sees with your system. I'll go ahead and show you what the registration page looks like. So here's the registration page. This is the business address, username, password, and then they can actually do the shipping address, or if they want to do it the same as billing, they can click on that and it'll copy over this information. So it's a little bit faster for them. When they click on register, it will either automatically approve their account or not approve it. It depends on what you set it at in the settings of the system. So sometimes you don't want everybody signing up to your system to be automatically approved. So we'll show you how that works on the administration side.